Welcome to my successful how-to videos. Today I want to show you how to use the Keurig K Mini coffee machine. It's a little bit finicky. I have had it a few times at Airbnbs and I want to show you the proper sequence of operations. So first of all, you need to fill with water your coffee cup. And unlike what is written on the side, what matters is the quantity of water that you put in the cup, because this is exactly what you will get. So don't rely on what is written on the side of the machine. It's part of the finicky side of this machine. I press on, I open, and now you see that it's blinking. I want to show you, I pull on the computer the sequence of instructions that you can watch during the period where it's blinking. If you press here too early on the K machine, it won't start. It does the noise. Now it's not blinking anymore. So you hear the pump. And this is the point. It didn't go all the way. I've had this issue many times. So what you do is that you reopen. That kind of resets the machine. And this is the problem that we have with this machine, is that you need to press until you hear boiling in the head. And that means that at this time it's going to start to percolate the coffee. But if you just follow the instructions, it's not working. So you need to press multiple times on this switch until you hear the noise of the steam percolating in the head. And that means that only then it's preparing your coffee. Very counterintuitive machine. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please ask them through the comment section. And there might be also a link in the description in case you want to buy a similar or coffee pots.